Greetings everyone. Today in this video we will discuss about chapter 6 lines and angles. Firstly we will discuss about lines. Two types of lines, parallel lines and intersecting lines. Lines which cut each other, they are intersecting lines. Now types of angle. There are different types of angle like right angle which is of 90 degree, acute angle which are less than 90 degree, obtuse angle which are greater than 90 degree, straight angle is of 180 degree, then reflex angle lies between 180 and 360 and complete angle is of 360 degree. So these were different types of angles. Our next topic is we discuss now about supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are those which add up to 180 degree. बच्चे ਜਦੋਂ ਦੋ angles ਦਾ sum 180 degree ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ then we call them supplementary angles like A and B. Here A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Next we are discussing about adjacent angles. ਬੱਚੇ adjacent angles ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ common vertex ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖੋ angle 1 and angle 2 ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ vertex ਹੈ ਸੇ ਉਹ common ਹੈ so if one vertex is common then they are adjacent angles. Next, corresponding angle theorem. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal then their corresponding angles are equal. ਬੱਚੇ ਇਸ ਡਾਇਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ 2 and 6 ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਿੰਕ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੋ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਉਹ corresponding angles ਨੇ 2 and 6 4 and 8 these are corresponding angles. Next we are going to discuss alternate interior angles. When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal then alternate angles are formed. बच्चे इत्थे alternate angles किहड़े ने 2 and 8. 2 and 8 are alternate angles and 1 and 7 they are also alternate angles. बच्चे alternate दे विच exterior और interior दोनों types दे angle ने. Now vertically angles बच्चे angle 2 और 4 ये equal ने vertically opposite and 1 is equal to 3 ये भी आपस विच equal ने because they are vertically opposite angles. Let us discuss an example of lines and angles. Here we are given angle PQR, that is angle 1. This is equal to angle PRQ, that is angle 2. We need to prove angle PQS, that is angle 3, is equal to angle PRT, that is angle 4. Here we need to prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Let's start. Here we can see that ST is a straight line stands on the ray PQ. So 1 and 3 they form a linear pair. So firstly angle 1 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. Same angle 2 and 4 again ST is a straight line. So 2 and 4 they form a linear pair. So angle 2 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. Reason same linear pair. So call this as equation number 1, equation number 2. Now in both the equation right hand side is same. So left hand side also must be same. So just compare both the equations. Compare 1 and 2. So this implies 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 4. Now use the given condition. Here we are given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Use angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. So in case of angle 2 we can put here angle 1. So this becomes 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 4. Now 1 cancels with 1 so we get angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Actually this we need to prove. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Hence proved. Let us take one more example from lines and angles. Here we are given angle ST PR. This is 135 degree. Angle PQT. This is 110, and find angle PRQ. That means angle 3 we need to find. According to question, angle 3 we need to find. So we start here. RT is a straight line. So 1 and 2 they form a linear pair. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now we find angle 2. Put value. Angle 1 this is 110 plus angle 2 this is equal to 180 degree. So from here angle 2 is 180 minus 110, that means 70 degree. Now this is 70. Now use exterior angle property. In triangle PQR, angle 4 is exterior angle. In triangle PQR, so angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Reason, exterior angle property. We know that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its opposite interior angles. So we mention exterior angle property. Exterior angle, that is 4, is equal to sum of opposite interior, that is 2 plus 3. So put here values. 4 is 135. Angle 2 we already get 70 plus angle 3. So from here we get angle 3 is equal to 135 minus 70. So just do the subtraction. So angle 3 is 65. So these were basic concepts of lines and angles. Hope it is